Hello colleagues, we're here to review the handling instructions for the Career SLX3D Clear. For those who are familiar with the previous generation, which is the SLX3D Metal, excellent bracket, excellent performance. When we launched this system, we had originally created the opening instrument, made of metal as well. Excellent performance for this system. As we might remember, the instruction was to do a quarter return. As you can see, very easy to handle, very easy to open, very easy to close. I mean, cannot get any easier than this, to be quite honest. I have received a couple of emails from colleagues which are complaining of having a little bit of trouble with the new bracket, and this is why I created this tutorial. With the new generation, we come up with a new version because, as all might remember, ceramic brackets are more fragile than metal brackets. For that particular reason, we created an instrument to avoid any mistakes or fractures. The instructions are exactly the same. The only difference is that the new instrument helps us avoid over pressure against the slot of the bracket. This is where most of us will encounter a couple of problems, and I'm going to show you exactly why. When we use the metal instrument into ceramic brackets, most of us are not fully aware that the behavior of the ceramic material is a lot smoother versus the metal. Most of us, if we open the instrument properly, we will not encounter any problem. So when do we encounter problems is when we insert the instrument, trying to open the door, and we haven't realized that the instrument had already fall into the slot of the bracket. Most of us will apply extra pressure, try to rotate the instrument, and will automatically fracture the door. This is why our engineers created the new instrument. This particular instrument is designed to help us avoid any insertion into the slot of the bracket. As you can see, it doesn't matter how many times we open or close the door, the instrument completely controls any accidents going into the slot of the bracket. It is really important that we show this to our assistants, our colleagues in the office, to make sure we understand that we're dealing with two different materials. Can we use this instrument for metal brackets? Absolutely. It behaves exactly the same. It's very practical and easy to use. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to be more careful, follow the instructions, and pretty much we will avoid any fracture against the door of the brackets. I hope this helps. Thank you.